Guys, everything is not okay. I am in so much pain. Here comes my husband with my things. iPad.
Eating pad.
Eating pad. Brand new. It does this. And it's soft. And finally, what is your last offering?
Ooga.
The UGA blanket. Dang, guys. This sucks. My throat hurts. My head hurts. I don't know what we're gonna get into today. But I think I'm gonna work on my video a little more. Okay guys, so we are moving up in the world and we are upgrading. So I got these little mics and they come with little clips that go on the back and then you can like clip them to things. So I've been doing this. Oh. Now I have a little microphone with a handle. Ooh, I have some pins. Maybe I can clip it to one of my pins. Wait, why do I love this? I'm gonna do some schoolwork and I'm gonna watch Outlander while I do my schoolwork. Hopefully I can get away with doing schoolwork and watching Outlander and I won't be too distracted, but we'll see. Okay y'all, so I'm about to make some bread and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. I've tried doing sourdough and I failed, so until I'm able to be successful, this is the bread that I'm going to be making. It's just like a simple artisan bread that my friend sent me the recipe for. It's just like 4 ingredients: water, instant yeast, bread flour, and salt. I'm going to mix in the bread flour first, and it's about 3 1/4 cups. Okay, now I've got my bread flour mixed in and I'm gonna add my yeast and my salt and then I'm gonna heat up my water and put it in here. Alright, so I put the Dutch oven in the oven to heat up before I put the bread in, so then I'm going to take it out and get it ready to put the bread in. Got the sauce going now. It's just sun-dried tomatoes, garlic, heavy whipping cream, vegetable stock, and butter. Or chicken stock actually, and butter. And then I'm gonna put in a mix of spices in there like garlic, paprika, oregano, salt, pepper, I'm gonna put that in there once it's thickened a little bit. And I've got the pasta finished cooking. And the chicken also done. So, yep. I'm also doing this little dip back here, which is garlic, sun-dried tomatoes, and the oil that the sun-dried tomatoes come in. And I'm gonna use it to dip the bread, which did not come out as airy as I wanted it because I didn't have time to let it proof for as long as it should because we need to have dinner. I started a bit late, and then I've got a salad in the fridge, and Charles is cutting up the chicken. So everything's coming along very nicely. We have quite the spread here. We have our pasta, bread, our dipping sauce, and salad. So I'm about to eat.
I'm so excited.
So me and my husband are about to go shopping. Just a little bit shopping. Not that much. So I like this one. And it matches my colors. And I like this one too, but it's a little too pink. So I think I might pick this one up, and then found just like a plain black shirt. So got some stuff from Old Navy, and now we're gonna go over to American Eagle and see if we can find something else. Okay y'all, so I'm gonna try on the various things that I just got today at the outlet. Okay, so here's the skirt that I got from American Eagle. It has this detailing, I don't know if you can see it, and then the skirt also has this. And then I got this black skirt. It's a little shorter and it has like a couple tiers to it. And it's also spinny. Next I got this black top. It has these buttons. It has these little bows, blousey sleeves. And these jeans are kind of new, although I didn't thrift them or get them today. They are Lucky brand. So I actually have this shirt already, but I have it in black, and I really liked it. So I wanted to get it in this neutral color, because it's just a shirt I reach for a lot. This is just like a plain black shirt. Can't go wrong with a plain black shirt. I have a couple others, but one of them is like slightly shorter, and then the other one has like a pocket, and so I wanted one that was just completely plain. So